To optimize the growth harvest, lighting conditions have become the crucial components for the plant's growth. But with so many grow lights in the markets with different shape, which should we choose for the light source of the plant's growth? So these videos will discover these questions and illustrate the evolutions of the grow lights. So let's subscribe the channels and here we go. The evolutions of grow lights include three stages. Stage of fluorescence grow lights, stage of high intensity discharge grow lights, stage of LED grow light. Fluorescent grow lights come in many different shapes and sizes, from twisty bulbs and non-tube. Fluorescents are popular because they make efficiency and presence lightings for humans and also super great for herb gardens and other style low-key indoor gardens without using a lot of electricity. And normally the lights of the fluorescence grow lights is cold white, which mainly is blue light. Fluorescent grow lights get smaller CL per voltage than the other type of grow lights if you use them in the flowering stage while bulbs are formed. And the following reasons you expect about 0.25 grams of bulb for every voltage of electricity, while the LEDs and HPS get 2 to 4 times as much yield per voltage of the electricity. The light from the fluorescence lamp doesn't penetrate so fast into plants. They are best suited to the plants that have been trained to grow sharp and flat. They are not powerful enough to support the tall plants, and in the flowering stage, besides, light is not enough to optimize the growth conditions without enough red light. That being said, when it comes to the flowering stage or budding stage, if you can fit a bigger lightings, you will get significant better yields by using an HID or LED grow light. Metal-headed grow lights are generally used for the vegetative stage because they produce blushes, light that vegetative plants love, and through the time of the light can also be used all the way to harvest. High-pressure sodium grow lights are often used during the flowering stage because they are very different and the yellow light stimulates bulb productions. HPS grow lights in the flowering stage get better yield per voltage of the electricity than the other types of grow lights available today, which is a big part of why they are so popular. High intensity discharge grow lights are much more efficient than the fluorescent light are powered by a large audience-shaped bulb, and they usually screw into the reflectors or hope to reflect more light down on the plant. HIDs are great at growing canopy, but they are also got very hot, and are usually hooked up to an exhaust to help vent out heat. HID grow lights mainly emerge the combinations of the red lights. With the developments of LED, the functions of high efficacy and low heat releases become the most popular materials for the grow lights. And the most important is that LED could easier achieve the PAR, which we also call it the full spectrum in the LED grow light. The last regions, LED grow lights, which mainly is made by lamp beads, which emerge red lights and blue lights. While two lamp beads give out the light, release the lights we identify violet. Another violet is in the photosynthesis active radiations. The last divisions will be the contours and the bar. But the lamp beads which mainly use the violet lamp beads and add in the lamp beads which emerge the red lights and blue light, and even the far red light. If you want to know more about the grow lights, please subscribe to the channels, and next videos will discuss the radio of lamp beads and LED grow light. And stay tuned, see you.